Hey guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine and spending the good day with the great condition of your health. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I'm here with my another video. This video is about some flat slippers which looks really beautiful and really amazing with your every kind of outfit. It looks really amazing, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon and watch this video till the end. Then you will get some ideas about different and new styles of flat slippers which are very comfortable, and as you see these are very cute designs available in flat slippers. And flat slippers are a cozy and practical footwear option for indoor use. They're designed to provide comfort and warmth for your feet, often featuring soft plush material and gentle cushioning. With their slip-on design, flat slippers are easy to put on and take off, making them perfect for logging around the house, doing different work, or simply relaxing after a long day. They are available in a range of styles, from sleek and simple to classy kind of designs, and they allow you to choose the perfect pair to match your personal taste. Whether you are looking for a practical solution for cold winter nights or a comfortable option for everyday wear, flat slippers are a great choice. And if you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So today's video is about